holding here in my hand the super handy Pocket-Hole Jig 320 from Kreg. Now this jig's for pocket hole joining timber and plywood that's 13 to 38 millimeters thick, and it comes in this handy kit, which on top of the case also includes depth gauge, clamp mount, drill bit with stopper and driving bit, as well as 2 boxes of their most common screw sizes. And also for a limited time right now, part of our spring deals catalog, Sydney Tools is giving you a free 51mm classic face clamp with this kit. Using the jig couldn't be simpler. First up, measure the thickness of the material with the depth gauge that's included, and that is also the tool for setting the depth stop on the drill. It's all really clearly labeled and etched, so once you've identified that depth, you can set both the stop on the drill, as well as these 2 little grey feet on the back of the jig. You'll find they've got quick stops at 13, 19, and 38 millimeters on the front. Then you just clamp the jig in place with that free clamp we gave you, and then you're ready to drill and drive in your pocket screw. It's that simple. And the jig's got a spacer between the 2 sides that you can remove without any tools involved at all if you're gonna do 2 holes closer together, or you're just gonna do 1 hole if you're doing a railing or working in a narrow space. And if you turn to the back of the jig where it contacts your workpiece, it's rubberized, it's very grippy so it won't slip. It also protects the surface as well. And best of all, it all fits in that handy little hard case so you can pop it in a drawer in your workshop or take it out on site with you wherever you need it, and it all stays together. It's a great bit of kit. Not satisfied just giving you a free clamp, we've also for a limited time slashed the price as well. So make sure you head over to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs to order yours for Australia-wide shipping, or head into your local Sydney Tools store and talk to the team and check out the Kreg aisle while you're there. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.